Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly why Flow AI is giving you the "could not generate video, try again later" error, and what you need to do to fix it. If your videos aren't generating in any ratio, 16:9, 9:16, text to video, or photo to video, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. So first, whenever you enter your prompt and hit Generate, Flow AI shows this error message. It doesn't matter if you're using the free version or the pro version with credits, the issue is the same. Now, here's what's actually happening. Right now, Flow AI servers are either down or overloaded. That means too many people are trying to generate videos at the same time, and the system can't handle all the requests, so it fails and shows the error. There are two main reasons this happens: server overload, too much traffic at once; server downtime, temporary maintenance or technical issues. And when either of those occurs, Flow AI simply cannot process new video requests, which is why you see the error no matter what settings or aspect ratio you choose. So what should you do? The fix is simple. Wait a little while and try again later. That's it. There's nothing wrong with your prompt, your device, or your account. It's just a server-side issue. Once the servers stabilize, everything will start working normally again, and you'll be able to generate videos without any problems. And that's it. For now, just be patient and retry after some time. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like the video.